Tumor atum thur pakpen bodo akhya phan ST Hill Parlo Polong Lepura Assam Governor lapen Union Home Minister aphan Pinpur Alok Kipaji Karnataka Vijaypura District Alok Kepadu Ponji Bharatiya Sanskrit Utsav Alok Thekar Arniwang Achap Bang aphan Takang Waipon Pang Tek Tek Abang Pupen Assam BJP MLA Dr. Numan Momin Apan Kether Keha Kardom ada belta lo pale belta than bang thare harmony be no belta ton pen arjik tha Bodo akhe lake inglong ka bochi barim akhe pen asapna ta ka cheton ave lasila tuma phan ke ST Hill Parlo Polong Lipura phaikuni ni phaisir kep arni Karbi Richu Ramsing Rong Hang pen Japon si Rongkhang Amri lapen Chinthong Alin Dokpotum Jingrum pen Union Home Minister lapen Assam Governor aphan Panongsi West Kar Bengalore Deputy Commissioner Ariding Pinpur Alo Kepajir Dam Abirta Nilituma Pherangke Hundor Kropen Card News along Birta nang pale
West Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner upon Pinpur Alo Karbi Richo Tum Kepajir Dam Bangso Pinpur Alo Deputy Commissioner Abaha Additional Deputy Commissioner AC Das Hin Pensi Dengdun Pinpur Alo along Kejongpon Atengke Karbi Anglong West Karbi Anglong Lapen di Mahasawa District along Karbi Lapen Akaprek Khai Kriplia Tumapan ST Hills Kiparlopon India Aron Alo along Kitok Dakdo Anparta Assam along Rialong ST Kethak Pahinido First list along Inglong Sokai Krip Holapen Second list along Thoya Sokai Kripli Dolapen Latumapan ke ST Plain Pulo Lasila Puson Aron Alu along Kethak Tang Pen Puthot Aron ke Lartu lake Chokche Pusi Jongpon Kepa Pihup Inglong Khaya Pan Kepanong Pi Along Kaching Thur Tang Akhaya Tumapan Ta Puthot Parlo Pontu Pulo Te Kedo Tang Inglong Khaya Tumke Ansusisi Kaching Thurana Tikukpo Lasi Aprang Pen Aron Alu along Kedo Tang Atengsi Boro Khaya Pan ke ST Plains Padovet Nang Pupusi Jongpon Tu
Ini Pinpur Alo Geti Nang Koka Hello, Aprang Pen Kami tu Inglong Khaya Dia Hai Itu lah Masih Non Boro Tumapan ST Ponipu Aso Angling Dusi Itu lah Tapi Cuba Nang Long lah Itu lah Ane dakwah sikap, mak nongya betul pen antar masih. Tapi nongya baru tu pakai tu si apa kata, mesti minang pula so. Tu sini sini tu pilih. Pada dalam menandang itu, dalam tu.
Padang lihin pada ini asap ini kata.
Nilihin pengke ninggi bangke hok lo tema boro kai ta hok kita me boro kai tungke ketekeri amasi dake la tungke ten lo halabang suhut ili tung karbiya khai ni tung karbiya khai tumhan ke ST Hills lo halabang su ST Hills polong bangke dak ST pen ST Hills bangka bahak alam bangke kalau sebang bahak lo hatungke ke plang khai penak ke thega khai penak ke khai penak apen ST Hills potungke ejo kilo ke chukle me ke chuda me ke dubla phanki ST lo la so ST Hills lo bangke ni tu marketing ke alam thi bang alam tum buro akhai to manta kelang select alam kali kelang hijim alam kali sitame alang itu mangta inho sitame alang tuge dagjong si karbi tungke ke thekte ve ke re alang li tumong si nang kerai lo borte dake karbi tungke tumo bodet po si pinyani karbi chu pendang lok peni nilitum longria pi pendang lok la so bangke ni tum ta ka chi so ina ko bangke alang tungke ke thekarai ke theka khai ke re khai pena po la so po si alang tumge ST plan pedwena la penke ke plan khai pedwena ni tum eri polam sini tum ke pinyani ke alang tum hante pinyani dak Karbiang Long West Karbiang Long Deputy Commissioner aphat te DC apan ni tum ke Pinpur lu ke pidam ke la hello alang tum ke dak he pini ke ST his kana ki ko lu nang ne lu pusi tu ni lu tum
Bharat Vikas Sangam Atumpen Kapater Pipon Karnataka Vijaypura District along Pho Angdeng Bharatiya Sanskrit Utsav ke paman ponji adimala Thekar Arniwa Achabba Longsing Terona Phat Kangwai Pona Birta Phaikuni ni Phaisir Kep Arni Card News along Birta Nangle Thekar Arniwang Achabba JAFA Amaipur Bharat Gosap Award Association of the Small and Medium Newspaper of India, Sikdang Achunbang, Executive Member of Council, Dibrugarh University, District Press Club of Karbi Anglong, Abidisar, Assam University Difu Campus, Advisory Board Member Abang Phuaphan, Radha Saike Claim Kedam, Kimesen Aputhak, Chinisi, Non Puthot Alang Lipan Bharat Vikas, Sangang Aptumpen, Kepatil Pipon Matijong Nipai, Inkora Plipen, Nipai Thongkep Ra Isi Arnian, Karnataka, Vijaypura District Along, Pho Angdeng, Bharatiya Sanskrit Utsav Amay Along, Ninar Kepan, Kepaman Ponji Amay Along, Assam Along Lipen, Longsing Teron, Aphan Kepa Lapen, Bangso Amay Along, Ongdung Amuluk Along, Alang Lipanta, Lam Kijaiji Aphan, Kangwai Ponpen, Anparta, Evort Atanka, Sika Suri Inkoira Pho, Lapen, Momento, Bajir Ponji Pusi Bilta Longdun. Assam BJP MLA Dr. Numul Mumin Aphan, Phaikuni Phaisir Kep Arni, Bhomta Arni, Adaba Pormalong, Pang Tek Tek Abangpu, Phunpen Apran Ke NG Aphan, Keter Khap Aputhak, Karnu Salong Bilta Nangle. Pang Tek Tek Abangpu Pen Assam BJP MLA Dr. Numul Mumin Aphan, Keter Ke Hap Pusi Phirangke Angno Alang Lihin Pen Pachini, MLA Dr. Mumin Aphan Bhomta Arni, Adaba Pormalong, Pang Tek Tek Abangpu Pen, Hiti Irui Angbong, Apran Ke NG Pora Keter Ke Hap Aputhak, Alang Lihin Pen Pachini Bontu, Lason Se Ada Porpai Plira, Minute Plikebra Pho Pen, Porpai Plira Minute Phokep Aporan, Pardun Ron Pen, Phun Kilo Aputhakta Alang Lihin Pen, Phirangke Angno Pachini, Phun Kilo Abangpu Amen, Chetante Sitame, USA Pensi, Phunan Kilo Pusi, Kachethan Buta, Alang Lihin Pen Pachini, Bang Tek Tek Abangpu Pen, Phun Pen Keter Ke Hap, Aputhak MLA Dr. Mumin, Dispur Police Station Along, Kelang Chari Jiapan, Lamhoi Mate, FIR, Pipolo Pusi, Police Atumpen Ta Pachini. Non malam soporhan bertamu Don Ponik Sina.
Kopili Family Restaurant, a fine dining restaurant, the most flavorable and exciting meals made with passion. Ethnic cuisine like Indian tandoori, Chinese, Pan-Asian and Karbi kitchen. Special food items like seafood dishes, fish and prawns are served. Pork special like barbecue pork spare ribs and Northeast style pork curry. Wait, not only this. Durga Puja special buffet starts from 17th and valid till 19th of October 2018. Also, the restaurant does catering order for parties, events, wedding, etc. It also offers free home delivery services. Distance and minimum order. Within 2 kilometers, rupees 500, 2 to 5 kilometers, 700, and 7 to 10 kilometers, rupees 2,500. For queries and services, contact at 6901312934 or 6901312930. Kopili Family Restaurant, 4th floor, HR Estate Complex, Dharamnala Road, Difu, near Bazar, India. Big sale! Up to 20% off on baby wear, 5% off on grocery items and 6% off on beauty and personal care. Also special Durga Puja offer on ladies and gents wear. To avail this opportunity, step in Saraswati Superstore right now. Home delivery services are available within 3 kilometers radius of Difu. For more details and services, please contact at 70024-56806 or 9957-537019. Saraswati Superstore, MS Hans Enterprise, near Mamta Pharmacy, Difu Main Market. Hurry up! Hero Company gives you a beautiful opportunity to have any kind of scooty or bike with the best help of easy loan facility. Also, it will be covered up with best driving comfort, best mileage, easy spot finance, best looks, etc. Service accessories and spare parts are available here. Please contact nearest authorized dealer. SMV Motors opposite of DIG Bungalow, Difu Manje Road, Karbi Anglong, Difu. For more queries, please contact 9613731109 or 9101147818. J&J Mandu has come to twist your taste with ethnic traditional dishes, noodles, rice, main course, beverages, soups and many more. A restaurant that makes you feel alive and energized. You can be out there enjoying the things you love. Parties like wedding parties and birthday parties are also taken up. On any occasion, the order must be given at earliest time. For more queries, please contact 9435-925-116. J&J Amandu, Difu Karbi Anglong, Birla, near Bharat Petrol Pump. A family restaurant, a part of your family.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajang tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Turkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Dihinamo biputat bertalo wangthulo. Hanjang langso KCS unit atumpen. Phaiguni ni phaisir cap arni ada porphai krisia porma lompen. Surihini la krenar cap anikana pharma. Ningkreng lutun ajomate. Winter melody night kepado ponjia phan. Hanjang langso KCS asai hemalong. Mai kepado pon abirta. Car news pherangke bogozan pen birta nangpale.
Rup Singh Rongpi pen ke chari pon amai long mai ki phalam the Pratap Singh Rong phar pen se jai pon lo bangso amai long aluhia man pen abarim Karbi Anglong Tonamas Council Matum Rajendra Rongpi Jivan Chandra Pathak Lunse Potum Jairam Tiso Jona Singh Phang Chola pen ke theke ding atum chetong dun pen Hanjang langso KCS unit atum ke badopon amai long RDP dun labangso Winter Melody Night ke badopon ja dim lake Hanjang langso pathua klamalong ke bangji mate jongni phai ECR ni pathik pon lo Lutun ajualong kachopapon alun se pilake Chandrakanto terang Bijoy lek thilapen mirmili rong pipia tuma phansi bangso jai megalong kachopapon je phan kachingwai pon padu mai ki padu ponalong lam thi kachan kachimum ke padu pon ke hanjang so cases unit aphan kado kawya bang phubang pia tumta kachrap kachtu dun petja phansi rada phan chuning ripon petrona ticket ador sika suri si banghini langdun ilongji season ticket ador sika Paro ke thom inut langdon longji lapen standing a ticket inut along sika phokep pasik kladak pen hanjana so KCS unit achun bang pen than pachini hanjana so KCS unit abidi sar atuma hin pen asona sunjutang jubat alam than pachini ponsi mai mesaning samjin pen pachun pon
Karbi Anglong Sports Station Stadium Ground along Phaikuni ni phai narkep arni kasa porphai troxia por malomben Morning Star Football Club pen Asad Juman Sport Club Bangladesh Angbong Football Trail Event ke paman pon abirta karnews along birta nangle
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Rong Hang Pen Difurong Supi Ang Kang Jasamet Pen Rong Supi Ang Bong Kedu Kasa Pathua Klam Kachin Thuramu Mati Kikim Kurang Ponasai Kedeng Pon Padusi Pai Kunini Painar Kep Arnian Ke Bang Su Pathua Klam Long Football Ke Pathu Mate Football Trial Event Ke Pathu Bang Chengpon Lasu Ke Pathua Long Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Rong Hang Pen Chenglong MEC Lapen Sai Kam Sai Patum Penan Part Alhuyaman Pen Minister Pijos Hajarika Lapen Abarim Indian Football Captain Bachung Bhutia Atutah Nachetom Dun Kepathu Chengcha Brang Difu Cultural Center Pen Karbi Kanbari Pen Chenglong Asanason Agikana Hiu Paklangpon Lapen Karbi Anglong Bong Nong Nambach Thangklong Alun Sikwalun Sipia Tumpenta Jumisen Alun Parjupon Winti Kasa Pathua Klam Kikim Kirang Tangadi Malong Kepathu Kibi Poncheng Langapot Kilang Dunatum Suri Arat Chitodun Labang so football trial event Kepathu Ponalong Bangladesh team atum Karbi Anglong Morning Star FC atumapan bol ipum thapsi trial event Kepathu Chipahai Ponlo
trial match sabi ako.
Hello. Ada berita malam pas gang tuan polilo demi thang me kurang tu.